Today on OsoGrandeKnives.com we're looking at the Spyderco Szabo folder. This one has the black blade with carbon fiber and G10 laminate handles. Very beautiful G10 on this. It's a G10 and carbon fiber laminate with a gold line in it, and it looks very different depending on how the light shines upon it. Both sides are carbon fiber. It has a quad mountable pocket clip. It's mounted on the butt end for tip up right hand side carry, but you can mount it for tip down or right or left. It's completely ambidextrous. The choice is yours. It has thick stainless steel liners or frame that the carbon fiber G10 scales are mounted onto using Torx head fasteners. It has a large oversized fluted lanyard hole. The handle is very ergonomic. You can see all the different curves throughout for placement of your fingers in your hand in very many different positions. Laci Szabo is a law enforcement officer as well as a world-class martial artist, and that is why this handle is in Spyderco's Martial Bladecraft series. It is primarily designed as a tactical defensive knife. The blade on this knife is made of CPM S30V, and it is a scimitar-shaped blade. It's got a 4.6-inch length. Very nice looking blade with a nice swedge grind on the tip, culminating in a very acutely sharp point. Looking at it from the top, this cutout here is to aid in trapping an opponent's blade in a combat situation. It has Spyderco's Trademark Round Hole. There's no jimping whatsoever on any part of the blade itself. It's very smooth, but yet it provides a very nice grip, and the choil on the bottom protects your finger from sliding forward across the blade. Feels great in the hand. It's a very stout, sturdy knife. Lockup is via Spyderco's strong compression lock mechanism. There you get a picture of it when it's opened. It slides over, and it is got a bar post here that keeps everything in perfect alignment. It also has a feature that keeps it from accidentally coming open while in your pocket, because if you're wearing it like this, you certainly don't want it to come open. It won't come open. It's almost like it's sprung shut. If I hold it out like this, it will go back into the handle. Out here it won't, but this far in it will. Very stout, thick blade stock on this. Reverse grip, you have a forward position. You can also move back. A nice platform rest, perfectly fitted for your thumb. Here in the forward position, you still can reach it very good. On the regular grip, forward and back. The overall length on this knife measures in at 10.31 inches. Closed, it is 5.85 inches. The blade length is a healthy 4.6 inches with a 4.01 inch cutting edge, and a blade thickness on this is 0.157 of an inch. Again, the steel is a CPM S30V stainless steel, black carbon fiber G10 laminate handles. The weight is 6.8 ounces. It feels very good in the hand, and it's definitely a knife that you will feel safe should you ever need to utilize it in a self-defense situation. Buy it now on OsoGrandeKnives.com. We thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more knife reviews.